How's it going, everyone? Space Life here. In today's episode we're going to be going outside, we're picking some of our potatoes, and we're going to be making a nice leek and potato soup. You can see down here we've already started sweating off the leeks, and there's an onion in there as well. So yeah, let's go outside into the garden and pick these little potatoes. Let's have a look here. So first what you want to do is wash your potatoes, and whilst your leeks and onions are sweating away in the pan, you can get your potatoes chopped up. I don't usually put these in straight away because otherwise they can stick to the bottom of the pan. So there's your ingredient list. So chop these potatoes up, and then you can see it's been sweating away nicely. Whilst they're in, you can get your stock ready. So the kettle's just boiled. Got that tasty vegetable stock here. I usually put 2 cubes in, 1 per person, but this will create about 4 or 5 portions. This soup will probably create about 4 to 5 portions, so 2 stock cubes isn't that bad. And we've got the 3 peas. So add your stock, and then I usually add the pepper, the garlic and everything, and then just let it cook away, and then time to blend it, nice and easy. Obviously always taste your soup, and then if it needs anything else, any salt, any more pepper, then just add a little bit to your taste, and job done.